ready to leave EPCOT now, guys. We're over here on the monorail. We came over from the ticketing center there. We wanted to give you guys a view of what was going on down in the Moana section of EPCOT. You guys can see there was a lot of construction going on. So right now we're actually going to head back over to the ticketing center, and then we just want to show you what this monorail load looks like getting on, looking out at the parking lot before we head on out of here. And this is one of the trams coming in right there. So if you guys aren't familiar with that, those are the trams which are parked way out. You can just go over to the little, they've got like little cement pylons out there. You stand in front of them. You'll see where the little stops are. You get there and then you jump on the tram. You come on in and it's going to drop you off up there and go back out into the parking lot. And then you'll make your way out into EPCOT here. But right now we walk from down below and we're making this long ramp journey up on top to the monorail. We're going to try to make this one right here. And there's a look back at the spaceship Earth, the big wall over at EPCOT. So these are the monorails that you guys can take from over at the ticketing area. So you guys can go either park your car over there and head on over to Magic Kingdom. You can jump on and head on over to EPCOT, or you can just go on over, park at one of the resorts, take a bus over to like the Magic Kingdom, the Contemporary Combination, and jump on one of these, and you can just go for rides on this stuff all day if you guys wanted to. Now we like jumping on because there's a lot of really good footage for us out there. It takes us all the way from Polynesian, the Grand Floridian, the Contemporary, Bay Lake Tower. So it gives us a lot of different things that we're able to film. This is a nice taxi to do it. But here we are, we're loading on in there. We made this monorail. And there's some people that just got here and they're actually unloading, heading on downstairs. So they're getting ready to go into the park. Right now we're outside. We're just waiting for the doors to close. Once they close, we'll be disembarking EPCOT. So right now, guys, we're all loaded up. We're ready to go. And we're on our way back to the Magic Kingdom area, or we're actually going to stop in front of the ticketing area. And if you guys want to head over to Magic Kingdom, you just jump on the monorail and jump back on. There's a second monorail that'll take you over to the Magic Kingdom area. But right now we're just heading over to the ticketing area. We're probably going to jump on the other one maybe and head back over to the Magic Kingdom, but we'll see when we get over there. But right now we're saying goodbye. This is the monorail from the inside. We're looking back right now. They've got in the back, you've got the Guardians of the Galaxy, you've got the EPCOT Ball. We're going to turn around and see if I can get that. And if you hear the EPCOT Ball term, it's actually a spaceship Earth. It's a big ride that goes through time on the inside, so you guys get in a nice big old car. We got that posted on countrybeartours.com. Just go into the theme park tab, click on that, and then pick EPCOT, and it'll show you. And that's that thing right there, the EPCOT Ball. So it's a big ride to get you right around the circles on the inside, and it takes you through a long journey through time. And they update that periodically, so it depends on when you guys are going in or what year you're going in. But there is, as you guys can see, a lot of construction left over at EPCOT. So if you guys are looking to come down here anytime soon and you're not from Florida, my advice would be keep posted. Keep an eye on what's going on in EPCOT, Magic Kingdom, Animal Kingdom, and Hollywood Studios, because there's an incredible amount of construction going on down here. If you guys are spending all that money to come down here, you might want to make sure you're getting your dollars amount worth of that, buying all them tickets and stay, because there's a lot that's going on down here. The park passes, they've consistently gone up, so right now you guys are looking for a Pixie Pass of about $439, I believe, or $435 for the cheapest ticket you guys can get, and that's got like 165 blackout beats on it, guys, so definitely want to do your homework. The next one up is the $8.99 one. It's crazy, the dollars are so much, and to see all the construction going on, it's just unbelievable. So hopefully them ticket prices end up coming down sometime soon, because they're off the charts with the amount of stuff that's going on down here with construction. Right in the distance, you guys can see the Swan and Dolphin hotels over there. And over there is also the Beach Club, the Yacht Club, the Villas at the Beach Club. You got the Boardwalk. So there's a lot in that area. That's actually a real fun area, and it's also serviced by the Skyline. So if you guys get a chance, take a bus over there. And it's also the back entrance into EPCOT. So you can walk from the Boardwalk or any of them other resorts over into EPCOT. But we're heading down right now. This is the not so glamorous part of the monorail ride, so right here. This one is a long drive along the road. Hopefully someday they'll put something out here which makes it look a little nicer instead of just looking down and seeing cars. Because this one here is technically like a bus ride right here. So my favorite one is the one that's on the Magic Kingdom loop. But nevertheless, we're on this one right now, so we got to make the best of this one. We're making our way back over to the ticketing center there, and that's where you guys park your car. Now these are, if you guys are on these at nighttime, my advice would be to get yourself a camera that shoots in super low light. If you guys are looking at the GoPros, make sure you guys get a GoPro that shoots in super low light, or any of your iPhones that are usually, I'm going to say around iPhone 12 and up. They're probably going to give you a little better view, but I'd get myself something like a Sony A7. Get yourself like an A7 II, A7 III, and get yourself a really nice low light lens to go on there. And you'll get some nice video out of this. Otherwise, you guys are going to be filming. Don't even waste your time filming in the dark if you don't have a low light camera, because it doesn't come out good. But there's the entrance into the Magic Kingdom, so if you guys are driving your car, you guys are going to need to go right through there, and it's going to take you right on over to the parking lots. And we're going to be up on the left-hand side, guys. We're going to crossing some roads. This one here is going to take us up towards, but we're not going to make it all the way over to the Wilderness Lodge or the Polynesian, so it's going to get us off before that area, so we are heading in that direction. Now, if you guys are coming down anytime soon, the lines down here, if you look out the parking lot right over there, those parking lots are starting to fill up again. It's a Christmas holiday is coming in. You know, Halloween's finishing out. You've got Thanksgiving still on its way, and you've got the holidays coming, so they are getting a lot more people. A month ago, that would have been totally empty out there, but now the numbers are starting to pick up again. So hopefully that dies down a little bit. I'd like to actually see it die down or nothing, because that way maybe they'll adjust the park price and get people back in there again. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with how the park systems work, you guys are going to get your tickets, and then you're going to need to make a reservation, still operating off of the reservations. So we want to make sure if you guys are getting your park passes, you have that available day to use that reservation. Just don't drive in and think you're walking in. If you don't have a reservation, you're not going in. But the funny part is, if you look right now, it would be more understandable to see that with the numbers of cars, but like a month ago, that makes no sense at all, other than the fact that double the money on the park tickets, half the people in there, made an incredible amount of revenue this year. So hopefully that whole reservation thing goes away, because that's just, to me, is just a waste, and it keeps people out. The other thing is the amount of money you're paying, like spending on that ticket. You want to get into the parks, so hopefully all that whole nightmare goes away, because it was only here for COVID, so it shouldn't even be here. But here's a look way up here. See how it's all empty out up in this area, but we're getting ready to come into the ticketing center. You can see all the rooftops right there. We're getting ready to say goodbye to you guys. And this has been a monorail from the EPCOT over to the ticketing and the transfer center over here. You guys can get off, take a ferry, take another monorail, or go out to your cars. But thanks for watching the video, guys. If you want any posted, put it in the comments below. Subscribe, share it out, guys, and we're going to see you guys real soon.
Hey, I gotta go to the bathroom anyway. Yeah.